Sorry about that, guys. We ended up with a blank screen there because I couldn't remember what the key was. Bit of a middle-aged moment there. Yes, so I ended up with a little blank in the mind about whether I knew what the keys were to actually start accessing the screen. Not my greatest ever moment, let's put it that way, but here we are. So, hello and welcome to another episode of GameHammer Live Game Coding. I'm just going to annoy all of your little electronic devices because I've forgotten something else as well. Alexa, studio lights on, please. Okay. There we go. Thank you. You're welcome. So, as I think we all know, we are today working on our live game coding. So we'll need this screen over here, WinAGD, which is arcade game developer, multi-platform arcade game designer even. So we're about to load up our project. Load project. Let's see how one we got. Is this the one that actually works? Have we got? There's all our events for our players. So we're gonna start off by building the game. Let's see how it goes. Label not found, which means that it is actually doing what it needed to. So it's loading in our game. We've got a fairly decent working game at the moment. I hope that you're all having a great night. I've changed top chat to live chat, so that makes it better. And hello to Go for His Painting and Hillside Junction. I hope you're having a great evening. I've had a very busy day today myself, trying to get through a load of stuff, because at the weekend we were out filming, which of course puts a bit without making it sound bad, because it wasn't bad, it moves everything back that I have to do on my work. So I ended up having to play catch up a little bit over the week. It's just not a bad thing necessarily, it's just how it is. So I'm currently working on videos that would have been really planned if we had been doing something else. That's just how it is. But I'm feeling pretty good about it. Nice to know that I've got all these things to help out with coding games there, isn't it? So let's see how this goes. Plus also, birthday tomorrow, so I'm going through everything I need to do today, so that I don't have to do it tomorrow. And then I can have tomorrow off, except for, well, the circus out tomorrow, so I'm going to have to do that after do a review of that, so that we have to complete day off. I'll try to have a day off now. I hope you guys are having a great evening. Hillside and go for it. Let's load this up. And hopefully we can get a nice big chunk of screen design. Because we've got the gameplay mostly down pat. And what I'm going to try and do for the first time here is play the game through to see that we can actually play it. And then after that's done, we'll see how we go. Here we are. Roland Rescue... Sorry, that's loud. What's loud? What's loud? Oh my god, have I left... I am so sorry. We used... The last time we did this was Secret of Monkey Island. Of course, I've left the desktop audio, and so you've heard all the loading. Guys, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. But thank you for pointing that out. I didn't even realise, because it wasn't showing up on my little graph. A little chart showing how much the screen is going. Hopefully that's okay now, though. So we're playing the game. Thank you. Roland Rescue Redux. Help Roland collect all the gifts and rescue Santa to save Christmas. So let's do this. Let's get ready now. Let's get ready now. Let's get ready to retro. Let's do this. Go in. Hey. So here's our guy. And the idea is that I'm going to go through all of this and try and play it and see if we can get all of the gifts. I don't think I've ever got all of the gifts on a show before, because I'm not actually that good at playing this sort of game. Despite the fact that I've coded several versions of this style of game, I'm not very good at actually playing them. So there's the hat, we've got that. Roland must die. Yes, Roland must die. It. He's got a bit chilly. Right. See if we can get these. There's our platform going up and down. Did we not just... What the hell? Okay, that seems a bit weird. We couldn't stand on our moving platform. We're going to have to work out what's going on there. Oh, I think there's a coding error. Okay, so we've got a bit of an issue with coding there. We can't pick up the Santa. Right, I think it's... Oh, because it's using the same y-axis code as we use, so we'll have to change that. But that's fine. We know that that's an issue, so we'll do that. We can do the rest, though, can't we? There's our dog bone. Grab that. Grab the Batman mask. We've missed the computer. All I can see is you. Oh! Oh my goodness, I've done it again. Guys, I am so sorry. Can you tell that I'm out of practice? I've been working flat out for days, and it's starting to be a problem. So, I am now pressing the wrong buttons. There we are. Right, so we know from all of this that, yeah. There's the Enterprise. I remember the Enterprise from Star Trek. That was it. We've got a guy stuck over there. A guy at the top is stuck. So there's a few things that we still need to sort out. So let's do this. We've got a few issues. So let's go in and editor. Let's go to screens first of all. Next and next. Oh, set which machine we're on. Standard spectrum. You guys can see this, yes? Yes, you can. Okay. So that's okay. Yeah, down there. Let's have a look and make sure that we all know. So I'm going to take out that one there. And that one there. You've got to land at the right place, otherwise you're going to get hurt these days. So, got all of this. Blimco is still there. This is the screen that we're having issues with. So actually, events for sprite type. What was the sprite? Sprite positions. That one. That is sprite type 4. Okay, let's do this. Events. Sprite type 4. It's using Y. And it can't use Y. Or A. That was it. It's using A. Okay. This is the problem. This is what we've got here. It's using A. What do we use for working out the limit, the limit that, yeah, A for jumping. That's why we have a problem. So, if we go to sprite type 4 and I'm going to use something that we don't use. K. Let K equals Y. If K is greater than Y, subtract Y from K. K is greater than A. So we're just going to change Y, all these A's to K's so that it's using a different variable. And that way it won't screw us up when we're trying to do stuff. Right. File. Save. And we're going to do the same thing. Machine. Not this machine. Sprite type 5. Which one was... Sprite type 3 is not it. Okay, so I think we are... Yeah, we don't have any others. Okay. So we don't have a different type of... That's cool. Right. Let's save the project. So we're going to save as Roland Rescue Redux. Roland Redux 15. Hopefully that will have sorted out the issue with the fact that when we try to jump, it starts to break and doesn't work properly. So that's what we've got there. Events, editor, no, yeah, no, we have to save again. Yep, we're still there. File, save project. Now we have to go back into multi-platform arcade game developer and save there. Otherwise, it won't work. Right, so that's sorted. That should be sorted now. We'll sort that out at the moment. Do we have any other issues? This is the one where the thing goes vertically there. Everything was working out okay in here. This one's a bit weird. That one's okay, that one's okay, that one's okay, and that one's okay, and so is that. This is the one. This is the one with the sprite position problem. Sprites. No. Sprite positions. Here we are. So, this guy didn't work out there, so we'll move him to here. There we go. And that guy is getting stuck there, although I'm not sure why. Possibly, oh, because of all this. So, if we instead move him down to here now. Oh, come on, dude, come on. He's not going to be able to move from there either, is he? One up. There. Now he should be able to move. So that's okay. That'll be fine with him. Go back to screens. This one I don't remember us having a problem with. And then we're back to the start. So what I'm going to do now is save the project again before we do anything else. Roll and Rescue Redux, let's save us rolling 15. Save. Yes. File, save project, mbagd, Roland, save, yes. Now we're going to build again and make sure this works. If that works, label not found and all that, that's fine. We accidentally put in a thing about the label. And I'm not sure how it happened, because I still don't know what label I broke for that to happen. Here we go. So what I'm going to do now is load that up. We're going to check those screens out. If it starts to work, then that's fine. All I need to know is if I can jump properly on the Santa screen with the giant Easter bunny who's the bad guy, and if the sprites can move on that other one that was just below the big building, where the one where the Enterprise is, with the front of the train. And then we should be all right. And if that's okay, then we can move on with our lives and build the rest of the game. That's what we're doing now. So, like I said, having a fun day, a fun evening. It's been a lot of work today, but getting through everything, which is what we need. And then tomorrow, going to try and have a bit of time off for my birthday, which would be nice. Herpy derp, beep, beep, beep. So, yes, as I said, Ahsoka's out tomorrow, so I can't have a proper day off. But I will have a day where I can just do what I want, mostly. That'll be nice. And I had a full day off, my goodness. It's hard to think about last time I had a full day off. It's one of the perils of being self-employed. It just, you just don't. You don't get to have that kind of time. Which is unfortunate. Do 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 do. Ba 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 ba. Do 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 do. I'm just looking at my PlayStation games here, and it's a bit weird because there it is. Because I've got LMA Manager on the shelf. 2002 and 2003. You would expect LMA Manager 2002 and 2003 to be the same length on the side. I'm going to pick this up and show you. And let me just quickly do this. Because it's kind of caught my attention and I'm not sure what's going on with it. So just going to bring this so I can see where I am on screen. So I can show you what's going on. Oh, Command 1. Right. I'm going to pick this up carefully, and turn it around. So here we have LMA Manager. And as you can see, just over here, 2002 and 2003 of LMA Manager are the same length on the side, thereabouts. LMA Manager 2004 isn't, but it should be. There's no change. It's just slightly larger font or slightly wider font. The other one for 2005, I can understand why it's further down because it's got the PlayStation connection live thing on it. And then 2006 is not in line with any of the other ones as well. But 2007 in the packet is. And that's just confusing me because they should be the same size, but they're not. because whoever made it and whoever designed it, I'm pretty sure they did it just to annoy everyone. But hey, let's go back to this. A little aside there, but you know, this is what happens sometimes. So I am going to now check what we're doing here, and we'll see how we get on. Right, we can jump. Yes, boink, boink. Let's go and check that everything works. Right, drop down here. Try and get past him before we get hurt. Right. It still doesn't work, because look at that. Now we can't get up there at all, and the platform has got stuck. Like, the platform isn't even in the right position anymore, and it's stuck. So that doesn't work. We'll have to move that back into the correct position so it doesn't get caught on the chains. But here we go. We should have a teddy bear as a pickup option, as an item. We'll put a teddy bear in. So the other one we have to check is over this side. Boing, don't fear. Past there. Boink, boink, boink. And down here. Now the bad guys are okay. We've got one that's wandering backward and forward as if he's stuck when he shouldn't be, but at least they're not. But he's actually, to be honest with you, that's not a bad position for him to be in, because I kind of need someone over there to block off the exit to the next part of that. So, oh no, that's not that. So it's just that which is the problem. Okay, fair enough. Right, that's okay. So now we know what's going on. Right, where's my... Still we don't know why this is happening here. We end up with 3 here on the energy. And I don't know why. I have no idea why it jumps backward 1. It's just very strange. So let's have a look in the initialized sprite. It's not in there. So we're looking in game loop. Oh, please tell me it hasn't lost that. No. Game loop, right. So we're still in the events and all that. Why has it done this? Why is it main loop 1? That's just for when you pause. That pauses the game. Events, main loop 2. Nothing in there. Events, game initialization. So 22-1 shows the score. 22-15 display double digits G, which is the gifts number. Where is our energy? There it is. That equals 99 when we start the game. This does not display the energy at all. It just doesn't do it. So where do we display the energy? That's game initialization. I don't get why this is happening. This is the thing. Collect block. Display double digits E. Right, 22-28. If we collect a block, 22-28, display double digits E. Okay, I'm going to take that, copy that, display double digits E. So whenever we get energy at 22-28, we display. Events, player. Is this where we do it? Possibly. Deadly. 22-28, display double digits E. That's the same, isn't it? Control V. Yeah, it's the same. I don't get it. I save that just in case. How on earth have we messed this up? Sprites. 22-28 display double digits E. So how on earth have we done this? Events. Kill player. No. 22-26 displays lives. Yeah, sure, that's fine. I don't get it. Hang on, screens. 2226. No, not screens. Editor. Window size. So 26 is there. 27, 28. So how is it getting there with the lies? How does that one there happen? Because you would have to have a 29 instead of a 28. In order to get that, because this is, let's have a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30. That can't be right. Seriously? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh, it's starting from one previous. Okay. It's moving on from, it starts at 0. That's why it starts at 0. Right, 28. So it is in the right place, which would mean to get double digits E, we would have to have set a display of 29 rather than 28. So how has it done that? I don't see anywhere where we're displaying energy at 29 instead of 28. Yeah, there isn't one. It doesn't happen. How on earth is this? Sprite type 1. 22, 28, display double digits E. Sprite type 2, 22, 28, display double digits E. I'm going to overwrite that again, just to make sure for all of them, in case something's happened. I think it's only happening if you hit the death blocks. 22, 28, because I just don't get it. This is weird. We've got an issue here, and it's like, dude. Hi, sir, Lo-Fi. How are you doing? It's like, how on earth have we done this? This is the other, yeah. This is the vertical thing, so it's using K instead of A this time. Hopefully that will keep it going. That doesn't. Almost sprite type 4 events. Sprite type 5. No, there aren't any other sprite types. Okay. So event, where have we put 29? Fell too far? No. We don't have a fall too far because we're not that kind of game. We could have that kind of game, but we're not. Excuse me. Event, collect, block, display double digits E. 22, 28. So I don't know when that's happening, but let's go back to screens and go back to this screen with there we are. So we need sprite positions. Editor, sprite positions, because we've accidentally moved this one. This is sprite type 4. It should be in this row here. There. That's fine now. Okay, that will now go up and down between these, which is what we want. So we're going to save at this point, because we don't want to screw it over again, and we'll see how we get on. Save. Yeah, yes. So Lo-Fi says, doing good. I don't know. So hard to find live streams on YouTube these days. My search gets overloaded with 24/7 streams. Ah, yeah, the 24/7 stream where they're just repeating the same stuff over and over again. I know exactly why they're doing it, because it ensures that they remain monetized. But yeah, I don't like it. I do understand it. I don't approve of it. Let's put it that way. So I hope you're enjoying it. We're doing a live game coding. We're coding on a ZX Spectrum. We're not coding on a ZX Spectrum. We're actually coding on a PC for a ZX Spectrum. We're making a ZX Spectrum game. So let's go. Now we've got all that. We've got our map and we know where we're going. So 14 is the screen I'm looking for. Edit Screens 14. Up to 5. Let's go backwards. Screen 14. 15? Do we have a screen 15? Edit map. Where did we put 15? Oh, it's at the top. Yeah, of course. So we're looking for 14 to see where we are. Edit screens. 14. This is the one. Right. What we're looking for now is one that goes on the other side of that, so that the little sprite that we've got walking backward and forward is guarding this. Why is he guarding this? Let's put in a screen to find out. So that's screen 16. 14 was 1, 2, 3, 4 high. So let's put, for goodness sake, let's draw properly. Can we do that? Yeah, let's start finishing the game off. So there we are. Got a bit of a lump in the ground. Let's draw some hills in. The hills are alive with the sound of retro. I'm drawing some ridiculous looking hills. Why does it keep not turning off? Right. Which language does this work? I can't see the work because of the damn thing now. There was work on. Looks pretty nice. This is multi-platform arcade game designer. It's its own special thing, and it's for designing old retro games for multiple platforms. At the moment, we're doing a ZX Spectrum, which is one of the oldest of the old ones. It's not from the 70s. It's from 1982, built on technology from the ZX80 and ZX81 in 1980 and 1981, respectively. It's a Z80 processor, and it's basically the king of the retro computers from the 80s in Britain. And it's the one that so many game designers from the UK started out on back in the day. So we're building a game for that. I'm currently drawing all of this as grasswork, and then we'll put in some black lines on it to essentially cut up the hills with making it look all right. The Spectrum has a very limited palette and very limited resolution, as you would expect from retro, but we can do some fun things with it. So the idea with multi-platform arcade game designer is that once we've done for the Spectrum, we can port all of the sprites and game information to the Amstrad, the BBC, the Acorn, Electron, the MSX, and other machines like that. So, oh, for what the? Why isn't it turning the mouse off when I've finished clicking? That's weird. Hi, Colin. How you doing? So they didn't code all this in assembly back in the 80s. They did. This will actually... This is a designer for a game that will compile it as assembler code that will then load into a legitimate Spectrum. And that we will do once it's all finished. We'll code this on here, and then we'll load it up on a Spectrum emulator to make sure it works. And then once it's all done, I will make it available to download as a .tap file, which is how we load games into Spectrums these days. Basically, it emulates a tape. That's the idea anyway. So we need, we have building. How high is the building? It goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About there. And then we'll bring this down. Oh my god. Why can't I draw a straight line with a frickin' mouse? I am terrible at this. Oh my goodness. All my hard work, all of that work drawing those lines. Oh no. There's our building. Oh, how we laugh. Being daft. Do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Here's the platform that we had on the other side. So that when you walk in, you will be at the right heights. There we go. Okay. And now we need, I know, a sign for where we are. It's code for newbie like me who can't code. Essentially, this is the type of thing that anyone could make. Yes, I am very much a newcomer to coding for this, for the Spectrum. I'm an Amstrad CPC owner from the days gone by, which is like the rival to the Spectrum. It's another Z80 based machine. It was basically like an enhanced Spectrum, and I loved it. But we can convert this to Amstrad, which we'll do. But I'm coding on the Spectrum first because it allows me to port the graphics more easily to the other systems. Oh, that's the wrong one. Where's my there it is. There's my corners. Put the sign in. We've already designed all of these blocks ourselves, which looks lovely when we're done. Doof. That one, and where's that one? Doof. Oh, there. So we've got a sign, and it's just daft. Hi, Retro Rewind. How you doing? Right, this is going to be annoying because I'm about to put... These are walls. You cannot pass them. So anything that goes in there, you cannot touch. There we are. Made nice bricks. And that's cordon off the end of the... I think that's a big wall down there. Yeah, I'm doing all right. Now that I've got finished a load of stuff that I needed to do myself, I'm doing okay. So I'm enjoying tonight. I was saying before to people that I'm wanting most of tomorrow off. I would like to have all of tomorrow off because it's my birthday and I like having a nice day off for that. But stuff comes up and I can't. So we're going to have fun tonight doing random bits and pieces here and there. And then I get to have most of tomorrow off, which will be lovely. So I hope you're all having a good night. I certainly am enjoying it. It's a door, and then essentially these are buildings with lights in. It looks like crap, doesn't it? Never mind. There we go. Some lights on. I wonder what the size of all this after compiling it all is. I think we can actually find out. I can find that out for you because we did compile it the other week. Multi-platform arcade game developer. And it will be Roland.tap. Where is Roland.tap? There you are. It is 20 kilobytes. 20 kilobytes for the entire thing. Even though all of these files here are also our project, but it all compiles down into 20 kilobytes. There we go. Hi, Captain Dowd. How you doing? The buildings look like the ZX81 version of Rampage. Yes, that is entirely where I got their inspiration from. So you'll notice here, we have a wall that goes the entire length. That is the edge of what we're going to have in this game. So if you go and put this in, if we go to the map, the side of 14, now we go and put in. That's as far as our map is going on that side. You can't go any further because you walk into a brick wall at the edge of the game. We could go further, but that's not the idea. The idea is that we're going to end up with a rectangle. It's going to go up here and across and down the other side and across and perhaps a little bit underneath. But we're not going to go for filling the entire thing because that was never the idea. We want a small Christmas game where we have a load of stuff to pick up. Right, we need a teddy bear. We need to draw a teddy bear. So we're going to have... There's a nice little bit here with a weirdly shaped head for a teddy bear. There we go. Now we need its ears. And that looks like absolute crap. We need a bigger set of ears. A set of ears you can see from space. There. That's looking better. That's looking more like ears. Yeah. Okay, we can do that. There's our teddy bear's ears. There we go. Alright, now we need to fill this in. So we can draw his face on. We're going to draw his face on. Oh, yes. There's his nose. There we go. There's his little facey wacy. No, that doesn't look right. I've tried talking to many a brick wall. Oh? What's wrong? Are you another Virgo? Blessed be. I am a Virgo. Which caused no end of delight to people at school. Aha, your star sign's the Virgin. It's like, no, it's the Maiden. Damn people. Kids are annoying. There you are. There's our thing. Can you remember the evil spirit teddy bear from Terrorhawks? I don't remember that episode. Sorry. I don't remember that one. Perhaps I've blanked it from my memory. There's our teddy bear. We need to bring this down with his body. He's going to have small legs. Now he needs his hands and arms. Come on. There we are. There's a little teddy bear. Oh, so crap. But there we are. There's a little teddy bear. And what colour should we have the teddy bear? Let's have a look and we can see different colours. We'll have... Do we have a nice brown? I don't think we do, you know. No, we do not have a nice brown. Okay, well, in that case, it'll be a kind of sandy yellow. And which room will he be in? Is it... Is it up and down? There it is. Right, he needs to be in room 16. There we are, room 16. That's select his position with P, I think it is. Yes. So, our teddy bear will be here. There we go. There. There's our teddy bear. And let's go backwards through the list. Shall we have... Oh, that's a candle. Let's copy that with M. Create a new one. K to paste. And we'll have a red candle this time or something. If we are both Virgos. It might be against the rules for us to be in contact. Well, I know that from personality things regarding Virgos, that it's not so much that it's bad luck for us to talk to each other as we're generally not going to, because I have heard this several times. Like we as Virgos, we just don't talk to people. We don't like it. We don't socialize that much. I've heard that. We're very much keeping ourselves to ourselves kind of people. So I don't know whether it's that we shouldn't, as that we just don't. As a rule, we choose not to. There we go. So we got 2 more objects in there. So now we've got 22 objects. So we need to alter the events. Player. Every time we pick up an object, we have to check all this. If G equals 22, end the game. Actually 23 because we started 0. Well, save. So now you have to pick up all of the objects to be able to finish the game. Editor. Sprite positions for the newest thing. Right, we need to determine where we're going to come in if we have to reset our player respawn. There. Yes. We now want, this is the guy that's vertical, I believe. So we want a 1 here. And a horizontal guy as well. We definitely want 1 here. And then, just to be obnoxious, a flying one coming across defending the other thing. There we go. Right. There's our next place. So, let's have a look on our map again. Editor map. We need something that comes in from room number 8 and goes up above this one. So, screens. You know not about. I've mostly got it from osmosis. Let's put it that way. Okay, so that we now need all of this, the rest of that building there. So that's 3 above. Okay, we can do this. Right, create. 1, 2, 3. That's where that one comes in. Rest of this building, let's draw that. We'll have it a wide building, it'll be nice. And there we go. It makes no sense from a point of view of, hang on, the rest of this town is underneath this. How's that work? But you know, we don't care. It's just how it is. We'll draw platform across the bottom so you can't walk through. Hi, Iron Horse, how you doing? Take them. Take those out of the game. We need to draw some smaller houses. Yes, we do. Hi, Patrick. How you doing? How's Melody? There we go. Jen doesn't like me singing this song because she says it gets stuck in your head. And she's right. Still suffering with your jaw problem. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I hope it gets better soon, dude. This one's going to have a deadly door. Just because we can. Melody says hello. Oh, hello, Melody. Meow. There we are. That one is deadly now. So now we need the white block. Yeah. And we'll have clouds in the sky. There we go. It's the most basic of drawings, but you know, these things actually kind of work. The way you just define things on a spectrum is very simple because it's 8-bit. And there we go. We've got a nice room again. We need some more, don't we? You had a surprising surge in subs on your channel today. Nice. It's always nice when stuff like that happens. This one's going to be a more complex house. It's going to have an extension in the roof. There you go. And a blue roof. Blue roof. There we go. You've got to get your fun where you can. That's how this works. So there we go. Some people in this house. And they won't have a deadly door. They're just going to have a standard door. So now we've got a blue house and a red house. The red house and the blue house had a race. All Red wants to do is stuff his face. I love that tune. I don't know why. It always stuck with me. The red car and the blue car had a race. All Red wants to do is stuff his face. That's not right. That's the wrong place. But smarter Blue, he took the Milky Way. I like to draw some pixel art using C64 Amiga. Nice! Are you one of those guys that competes for that... what's the word? The Commodore 64 has a really vibrant community of artists, and I love it. It looks great when you see them. you one of those guys that does that? Sorry, I'm assuming gender is that. Like, yes, the red car and the blue car had a race. All Red wants to do is stuff his face. He eats everything he sees, from trucks to prickly trees. But smart old Blue, he took the Milky Way. Right, we need some sprite positions. Oh, we can get up onto there because we've got the door that jumps up. So we can get up. So yes, we can do a sprite positions with lots of fun things. There we go. Drop our dude there. No! Drop him here. No! Drop him here. No! Drop him. That one there. There we go. Right, and we'll have a guy flying that way and a guy flying that way. And there we are. Okay, we've got it working now. How did the rest of yesterday's stream go? Not too bad, thanks. It was pretty good fun. The red house and the blue house had a race, but being buildings, they were stuck in place amongst the birds and the bees, the grass and the green trees. But oh, good old Blue, he finally broke away. I love it. Well done, Iron Horse. That was fun. That was good. Drop a guy. No. There. Yes. We've got a guy who's wandering around. And another one on the ground. La 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 la. Okay, so now we go to the map and we add in number 16. No, number 17. 17, there we go. And now we need... Oh, hang on. My screensaver just came on my Mac, which I'm using as a monitor for this. So now we need some more objects. Great rendition, sorry. Oh, you jest. I know you jest because I cannot sing under any circumstances. Well, let's have a rocket. Copy a rocket. I'm very, very much in favour of just copying existing stuff we've already got. Let's have a green rocket this time. And we'll put it in room 17. Specific position, it will be there. It's flying. So, that's why we needed a guy up there. Okay, and there we are. Ah, let's have this one. A hat. Paste that one. Red, a white hat this time, is it? And let's go for hat. No, let's just go for hat. Hat. A white hat this time. No, let's have a pink hat. Have we got a pink? Yeah. Let's do this. Room 17 position. The hat will be there. No. The hat will be there. Let's put a hat. No. There. The hat is now on there. So, let's do. So now we've got 25 things we need. So go to player. G equals 25. File. So that will end the game. Save that. File and save the project. We'll save it as Roland Rescue Redux 15 because that's the one we're using tonight. Save the game. Tuppence a bag. I've got that frickin' feed the birds stuck in my head. Save this. Save. Yes. And file. Export game. So let's do this. Export as Roland Redux. What? No. How have I clicked on save as? Events. We are still here. Yeah, everything's here. Exit. File. Export game. Oh, we have to do it as a save file first. Okay. Roland Redux in mpagd. Save. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Create a tap file. Yes. Create a basic loader. Yes. Label not found. That's fine. Right, we've created it. So we're now going to go to back to here with the browser. New window. Customize Chrome Groovy browser. I don't want to. Why are you being like this, Google? Why? You're not happy with how you look? You look fine. What's the problem? What is the problem? Right, we need the browser ZX Spectrum emulator that we usually use. There it is, ZX Spectrum browser emulator. JS Spec E3, that's the one. So, here's our emulator. We've got nothing in it at the moment. Open. We go to Multi-Platform Arcade Game Developer. And where is Roland? This is the one, 19th of September. Open. This is hit loader. There we are. Roland Rescue Redux. We are now in the game itself on a Spectrum emulator. And the reason I've done this is just to check that it's all working. So we're going to now try the game. The idea is to get all of the objects, check all the colors. They look pretty good, actually, on the browser emulator. There we are. Now, jump up there. And just completely get screwed by the guy that we keep hitting. Jump across. Jump around. Jump, jump, jump. Jump around. Jump, jump, jump. Jump around. Jump, jump up and get down. Jump around. Jump up and get down. Go up and up and up. This guy here. Now, the Enterprise is a difficult one because you can't actually get it from here. I think you have to drop down to get the Enterprise, if I remember correctly. Let's go up again. Yeah, we can't get the Enterprise. Okay, that's a problem. We can't get that Enterprise at all. Oh my goodness, we can't. We really, really can't get it. It's just not possible. Haha! So we can't finish the game. But at the same time, if we notice over here, when I go back up, that we have a platform that goes up and down that gets stuck. So I have a very simple fix for this. Let's close this down. Go back in. Events. We've still got, yeah. Sometimes it just clears everything out and sometimes it doesn't. So if we go to screens and scroll back through all these, here's the one. So let's go to editor and sprite positions. Pick up that and put it over here. That's all we need to do. Then we'll be able to jump onto it and go up and then drop off and get the Enterprise. File, save project. Has Roland.apg. I approve of emulation. Oh, thank you. Replace that and file, export game. Save as Roland Redux, yes. Place it, yes. Create tab file, yes. Create basic loader, yes. And then question why we closed down the... Why did I close the emulator? New window. JS Specky, that's the one we want. JS Specky.zx demo. Right, load this up again. Sticky platforms were all the rage back in my day. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. There we go. Open this. And load it in. There we go. Right, now if we go up, we should be able to grab the Enterprise. Grab that, yes. Past that doodlinger, whose ears still wobble, and I love it. I just love the fact that the only real animation on all of these guys is the wobbly ears. I mean, the flying guy has a propeller that goes, and that's about it there as well. Right, jump onto that. Yes. Jump across. There we go. We got the Enterprise. Grab that. Down. Back onto here. So, let's see if we can do all of it and get all of the objects like we were trying at the start. Because we haven't decided how big the game is going to be, but we do know that we haven't got we haven't got all the way through it. Oh, okay. So we didn't add an extra one. Okay. There's Blimpco. Grab all of these. I haven't really gone at this in the correct way to make sure that I get... Oops, I just accidentally walked right into that aircraft. Aeroplane. Aerocraft? I've never heard of an aerocraft. We got it. Okay, we got that one. Okay. Oh, no, we need to be up there, don't we? Right. That's... The house door and window will hurt us. We have to remember that. We can't get up. We can't get up there. Right, there's a problem. We can't get onto that thing, so we can't get those two. So that's not going to work. So we can't win. And it's doing that problem again. See, it immediately went to the issue we had again. Where we've got the, yeah, it's jumped where the energy position is. It's very annoying. Now we can't get out of here. We have to drop back down. In the trees, it's coming. We also can't get that last one because we can't drop down. So the grass in the background is actually a problem for us. Okay, that's good to know. We can't win. And all of the grass will kill us. Right. Well, that's good to know. Okay, so for the most part, everything's pick up a bubble. For the most part, everything can be picked up. Pick up a bubble. I love that we've got tiny wheels underneath these trains. And that... Yeah, then go across, can we? No, we can't go across. We can't get through. We just can't do it. It's not possible. We are stuck on the floor. Oh, no, we're not. We can get through. The majority of it we can pick up. We've got 16 of the gifts, and there's like 25 of them. So, for the most part, we're doing okay. We're going to keep going and just make sure this is going to work. Right, we're in here now. We can't get out of here because we haven't designed the room for the other side. Oh, that is so fantastic. We can't do it. We can't get through. There we are, we're through. Okay, jump. For goodness sake, jump! Jump! Oh my dude, Roland! Roland, you silly sausage. There we go. Grab the cat. This platform just doesn't move, and it's actually not... It doesn't register as being there. Interesting. So we've got a few issues still. A few teething troubles, as we'll say. Go back up and jump and try and get up through it. Yes. So there are a couple of things that don't work. Like one of the platforms just doesn't move. I think we forgot to set its type. Probably set the wrong sprite type. That would explain a lot. So let's see what we can do for the most part. Across. There we go. It's time to play the music. It's time to put on lights. It's time to doof 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 doof. Right, is that going to come back down? It looks like it will. Yes. There we go. There we go. So we've got 21 gifts. I know we can't get 2 of them. Where are the other ones? Oh, we haven't been to the left of the main screen. The not main screen, the original screen. That's how we know. Kick the butts, tuppence a kick. This guy's going flying backwards. Nope, now he's fine. Okay, that was just a glitch. That's okay. One guy is vibrating in place. Got that. Okay. Kick the butts, tuppence a go. Tuppence, tuppence. There's the two that we can't get. So where is the final one? There it is. We can't get it because it's in the position we can't reach. Yeah, we just can't get that one. Okay, so this is good news. We know what's going on. That is the main thing. We know what's going on. So we've got all three highlighted that we can't reach. That one there, because the background is not what I thought it was. But it needs to be like that for some of the other areas. So that's fine. Okay, now we know. Close that. Wrong mouse. Okay. Let's go back to this. So, editor. This is not the one we need to deal with. Editor blocks. We need to look at the blocks now. So, this is the... That's a platform block for trees. This is the empty block. That's the one we need for the background. So, screens. It's 15, 16. This is what we need in the background. Solid green. Instead of tree, this is solid grass. And that's the one you can walk through. So if I change these bits of hills here to solid grass and then have the tree stuff in the background, that won't affect a lot. From the point of view of gameplay, it won't affect much at all. It'll look nice because we'll have a patterned background for the distance, all the hills that are in the distance, but this will let us walk through and fall through if we come in from the top of the screen. So that will work out, and we've got a hilly background that we can navigate. Which is exactly what we need. Okay, the trees, it's coming. Right, this one we need to sort out. Suppose. What if we just put in the window a couple of tree things in the window, and then you can stand on them because they're platforms. There we go. So that's sorted, and they'll all work now. Okay. File. Save projects. Multi-platform arcade game developer. Roland. Save that. Save. Yes. Okay, let's have a look at our map again. So that's screen 17, editor, map. So we need now one on the edge of room 6. Screens. Go back to this. Screen 6 is this. So we could put anything after this because there's nothing up there. This is going to be sky. So we're out in the sky. So we're going to have clouds. 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 And clouds. And all of these are empty blocks that you can just walk through. And in the middle of it, we're going to have a cloud base. This is where we're going to find a lot of bears as toys. This is going to be where the cloud base for the obnoxious bears is. I know they were called We Wanna Be a Car, and all of that, but no. This is where the cloud base for the obnoxious bears is. How are we going to get up here? That is the question. This is going to be basically one of those where you have to jump in via the blimp. Should I make a... Oh, I've got an idea. Let's stop this for a second. Blocks. We need a new block. Copy that block if I can. Create a new block. Can we paste it? Yes, we can. So, we're going to have obnoxious block. It's going to be pink. Yes. And it's going to be a type of platform block. And now we're going back to screens. This is the obnoxious pink castle of the obnoxious bears. The spying bears. The bears that spy on kids and make notes about what they like and then sell it to toy companies. With the Care Bears with their spying telescopes to see what kids were up to. They were up to no good. Those bears, they were funded by something, and it's either selling your preferences data to companies, or they were spying for the NSA. It's one of the two. The Care Bears, they were dodgy as hell. I tell you right now, they were dodgy boys. Oh yes, they were. I know it's a conspiracy theory, but bear with me. What am I like? Oh dear. There we go. In the trees it's coming. I've just completely screwed that over, haven't I? Yes. So it's going to be yellow and pink, because this is the obnoxious castle from the silly bears. Love some big windows for this one. Right. Go. Care Bear stare. Yes. Oh, you gotta love the old stuff, haven't you? Right, that's a nice big door at the front for the drawbridge, or the jawbridge as it was on He-Man, because of course it was. I always loved that. He-Man had a jawbridge. No, they freaking don't. No one wants to be a Care Bear, because all you do is spy on kids all day. Oh dear. I did like the Care Bears film though. That was fun. I'm going to trust this guy who's stuck in a book, because someone who's stuck in a book would never be a bad guy. Okay, yeah, easily gullible bear. There we go. Nice big windows, which have an additional thing where actually you can fall through those. What have I done? No, we should have that different. There we go. And the final thing, we need a bridge in a little drawbridge in the middle. There we go. There's the Care Bears super castle. Do we have crenellations along the top? Yes, yes, we should. Doof. 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 That didn't work, did it? No, that one. No. Goodness sake, why can't I focus and press the right buttons? There we go. And just as one little thing, we'll have a smaller window down here. One down here. And actually, from the point of view of castles, they would be smaller windows on the bottom. so that you can't shoot straight in. There's a retro quiz where I live every Thursday at the local pub. I get asked to go by the young ones because of my useless retro knowledge on classics such as Herman and Company and such as Herman and the Care Bears. Oh, lovely, nice. I love old stuff. It's much better than the new stuff. I mean, yes, some of the stuff that's around now is excellent. Some of it's not. Okay, so we're gonna have Care Bears on the top of this. That's actually a pretty nice map there. Editor, let's go back to the map. There we go. So editor and sprite positions. Where do we start if we get killed? Well, we need a player respawn point on top of the castle, I think. Let's put him there. No! There. Pick him up and put him there. Yes, so he's definitely on top. Right, now we need a sprite going there. And a sprite going there. Welcome back, Patrick. There we go. So that will work. Editor, we need some objects now. Doof, doof. We need some... Where's the bears? Right. Copy the bear. Create a new bear. Okay. So we've got a white one. Let's put it in room number 18. He will be standing guard on top of the building. Another one. This one will be green. That works. Room 18 position. Let's see if we can put him in here. Yeah. That one's going to be more difficult to try and get. And we'll have to try out. I think you can get him. If you come down the left-hand side, you've got plenty of space to drop down and try and get into there and walk across. So that should be okay. I'm ordering you a blue finger of doom to get Jenny with. Don't. No, don't. Don't. It's not my thing. Put him there. So let's have a third bear. We need another bear. And this one will be... What have we got? Oh, a light blue was nice. Let's see if we can do that again. Where's the... Yeah, aquamarine bear. So, here we go. Positions. Positions, everyone. Positions. He will be there. There we go. Right, we've got our 3 bears. So that's 27 objects now. Editor. Sprite positions. No. Events. Player. So we've got 28 now. G equals 28, end the game. We're close to what I'd like to have for the number of stuff, actually. The number of objects to pick up. So we've got a decent sized game. Save project. World Rescue Redux. 15. Save. Do I replace it? Yes. File. Save project in mpaged. Save. Yes. Okay. Right. Events. Everything's still working. Yes, everything's still there. So we have one that... Where was it? Let's go back to the screens. Because we had one that wasn't moving. We had a movable platform that wasn't moving. And it is... here. Right. Screen 7. Editor sprite positions for the screen. Yes. This wasn't moving. Sprite type 5. It's supposed to be sprite type 4. There we go. That's why it wasn't moving. Okay, so there we go. So now it's going to work. I hope. It should work. It's going to hit one of those bricks and then have to bounce back. So it should be okay. Right, file. Save project. So save that. Place it, yes. Okay, let's go back to the map. Let's have a look at what we got. Map. So room 15, we need to work out what's on either side of room 15. Editor, screens, room 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, we have a ladder going up, but it won't go anywhere. So we need something on the top of that and something to the right. We don't need to deal with the... No, we do need to deal with the left. So let's do that straight away. This will be a room that has next to nothing in it. Just because we have the ability to fall off the platform, the screen even, this way. So let's have nothing here at all, except sky. There we go. Nothing there at all except the sky. There we are. Oh. Right. Editor. Map. $19. And just for fun, we'll put an object in it. What should we have in here? Let's create a new object, and it'll be, I don't know, a bouncy ball. Let's have a giant ball. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Oh, we can't. Oh. Oh, that's... 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2. 1, and then down. All the way. Then 1, 1, 2. Right across. There. Take that out and put that one in. Kind of works. I'm trying to draw something that looks vaguely like a frickin' ball. It's hard to draw a ball in 8-bit sprites because they're all square. We didn't have the technology for circles back in the 80s. It was just not done. Right, let's see. Can I get a shape that looks vaguely like a frickin' football in this? Kind of, actually. Oh, we might be able to make a kind of football-looking thing. Take that out. That one. That one. That kind of looks crap, doesn't it? Yeah, that's got to be the worst designed ball I have ever seen. And I can say that because I designed it. That sucks. What a pile of crap. Take that out. Take that out. Who knows what this is now? What the hell have I made? Except a mess. Oh my goodness, what a bloody mess. What was I thinking? Was I even thinking at all? Guys, I don't know how to make a frickin' ball. Oh, this is so bad. Oh, can I in any way resolve this issue by adding extra bits? Probably not. Oh, so bad. Sucks. So bad. Oh my goodness, it's so bad. Oh, I could claim I'd seen worse, but I would go to hell for lying. What have I got it? Let's just draw a line in the middle. Like X marks the spot and then turn it into a pile of crap. Oh dear. That's not right, is it? Let's get ready now. Let's get ready now. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Get ready, get steady, and rumble. Everybody rumble. Get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. That is terrible, but we're going to use it anyway. Can I move it up and down? No, it does not move. Rum 19. Who knows what it is? Let's position it. There. There's your hidden one in Rum 19. We're going to have it a nice bright colour so it's obvious when you go into that room what that is. It's not obvious to me. Right, events, player. So now we've got 29 to pick up. We're going to have to try it out to make sure that we can actually do it. File. Save. File. Save project. Save project. Tuppence a bag. Saving, saving, saving our game. Save project in 2 places. Otherwise we could overwrite it. We don't want that. Right, let's do this. Let's export the game and hope for the best. Replace, yes. Create a tab file, yes. Create a loader, yes. It's got the option of not creating a loader there, if you notice, because you don't always want one. And if you want to put a loading screen on or any other enhancements, you don't want the basic loader. You want just the file. Open. Where is it? Roland Redux, that's the one. Let's do this. Open. Tape loader. Tape loader. Ba, ba, ba. Right, let's go and have a look at that one. Jump and jump. Make sure this works. And that we can actually grab it. Right, we know all of the others should be grabbable now. Grabbable. 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 Too high up. What the hell? I don't know what's going on in there, but the top of the blimp should be there. There we go. Top of the blimp needs to be in that room. Okay, now we know. So let's reduce that. Go back. Editor. Screens. Screen 19 is now gone. Nope, there it is. Right. Where's our blimp? Where's the blimp one? Where is the top of the blimp? Where did we put the blimp? Right. We're getting close to blimp. There it is. So we need to come in from there. Basically one space. Screen 19. One space in. So we need the blimp. One space in. And put the blimp top there. And then we should be okay then. It should fit with the narrative we've already got. Narrative? The design we've already got. What is wrong with me? Answers on a postcard. Ba 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 bum ba ba. Ba 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 bum ba 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 bum ba dum ba dum ba da ba da ba da ba ba dee. Ba ba bum ba 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 bum ba da 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 dee. Da 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 Blimpco. Blimpco. Right, actually. Right, we've got that there, the top of the blimp. Now we need to go to room 4 again. So we need the top of the line that goes around Blimpco. So that's okay. And that is 2 spaces in from the edge. Gotta get this right, you know. Gotta get it right. So yes. Yes, we do. 1, 2. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we need to decide on other things. So editor, right positions. Where do we start if we come in here? So we're going to start. We respawn there if we die. And we'll have a guy who flies there. A guy. No. Delete. Delete. There. And a guy who runs across the top of there. There we are. There we go. Right. So now that's done. We need to go back to the objects. And reposition this. Too high. There. Right. There we go. Right. But because we've got that, we have an issue now, don't we? Because we now need to deal with the other side of that blimp. Where is the other side of the blimp, by the way? Where is it? There we are. So that comes in from 3 spaces on the edge. Okay. And we only need 4 of the top of Blimpco. Right. Right. Copy this. Create a new one. And paste it in. Can I flip this horizontally? No, I can't. That's a shame. So we'll have to do this. Oh man, how weird is that? I just delete some of these and make it look okay. There we are. Right. Delete all of these because we don't need most of it. Now we've got another room. So we need to quickly check room 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes in 4 on Blimpco's top of that thing. So we can delete all of these. We'll deal with that in a moment. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. 1, 2, 3. And then it drops down on the final one. 4. Right. Graphics remind me of Mr. Poonabut. I don't know that one. Come, 1, 2, 3 from the edge. Was it? 1, 2, 3. Yes. So it'll be the 4th on the edge. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are. That's where it comes up to. There we go. Right. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we know what's going on. And where's our top? Where's no? It is top line. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba da dee 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 dee. Ba ba ba. Why have I got the Pink Panther theme in my head? That's going to be the wrong way around, isn't it? Yes, it is. So it's this one instead. There's our line, and we need to join these up with the one there, there, and there. Okay, so now we've got it. And that's all we need. Okay, editor sprite positions. This guy will start a respawn there. We'll have another guy who runs across the top of the thing. Grab him. There, yeah. And another guy there. And a vertical one here just because we can. There, he should be slightly over there. There we go. Right. Sprite map. Sprite, yeah, map. Not sprite map, screen map. Oh! I went past it. There we go. So now we need one more, which is just a wall. Oh, actually just air. Just completely blank, except for sky. Let's do it. Completely blank except for sky. Do-do-dee. Do-do-dee. Do-do-do. And that is just so if you actually manage to jump off the blimp map, you end up there. $21. There we go. There. That's actually looking pretty damn good. No, no, don't start in that room. Oh my goodness. That would be terrible. That would be a terrible thing to do. That's where we start. Room 0. Okay. Right. Let's go back to the screens and find screen 15 and work out what the hell is in it. 17, 16, 15. Right. What we're going to do now is fix this so that we don't have to put any more in. That's the top of the tower. That's it. The top of the tower. There is no more tower. That's it. That's as far as that goes. How do we get back down from there? Well, we'll put a hole here. There you are. There we go. That's all we needed. So all we need are blanks in the space. All we need are blanks to enjoy a game. All we need are blank spots so our guy can fall. There. Now we don't have to worry about all of that. And if I was going to be incredibly cruel, I could just put a line down there. But we're not, because we want to put an extra bit in. But there we go. We can't get out that way. Actually, no. We can. We can walk out that. We can walk out there because we already have a hole at the bottom, so we might as well. Right, editor. Copy this screen. And create a new one. Paste. Move that across one, so now we know where that starts. And blank the rest of it. Actually, no, we'll leave those, leave the clouds in, or at least leave one of the clouds in. Not quite the same design of cloud. There we go. Now, we've got another room that can go on the other side of the tower. We can work out what's going to be underneath. I've got to work out what's underneath it, and then we can design the rest of it. So I'm pretty sure that the rabbit, the big Easter bunny, is around here somewhere. So let's move this out. Right, editor, map, screen 22, which goes here. Screen 122. Right. Underneath it is screen 1. Editor, let's go back to screens and have a look at screen 1. 1. Ah, Roland must die. So we can have complete autonomy over what's above here. This could just be blank with more clouds. But what I want to do is put in a sprite, which will be a nice little jokey thing. If somehow you manage to get out here, we've got a platform and another platform. And between them is a floating platform that goes up and down. Let's have that. Okay, so editor, sprite positions, sprite position. Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho, hey ho. That was pole position, wasn't it? A platform that goes up and down. So, there. Yeah. That works, yeah. Now we're going to have a guy that goes up and down as well. Who's going to be here. And a guy who goes that way. And a guy who goes that way. Yes. There we go. Right, now we're getting somewhere. Melody just walked over the keyboard. Oh, hello, Melody. Meow, meow, hello. Hello, Melody. So we're getting somewhere now. We've got a fair amount in the game editor. Let's go back to objects. We need a new object. I don't even know what the hell that thing is. It looks like some kind of doily, but we're going to have another one. Copy that, create another one, and put it there. And this one is going to be, I don't know, bright red. Have we got a bright red? We have. We've got a bright red. So that's going to be room 22. Position. Positions, please. It will be there. And oh, dizzy van. We have to have a dizzy. We haven't got a dizzy. We need a dizzy. Okay. How can I draw? Is it possible for me to draw dizzy? I kind of remember what he looks like. He's a big fat egg. This is going to be terrible, isn't it? It's going to be the worst dizzy in the world. Well, no one's going to accuse me of copyright infringement because he looks like crap. Oh my goodness, Dizzy, what have I done to you? I am so sorry. Oh my goodness. Well, he looks like crap. Captain Eggman here is not in his best appearance ever, but there we go. Now he looks like an idiot. Let's give him an enormous nose and then call the rest in. Well, he looks like a silly action figure, I suppose. Yeah, no one's gonna be claiming I'm violating copyrights. Let's put it that way. What a crap-looking character! I have made that look terrible. So, yes. No, that's bad. Bad. Alright, there we go. He's got eyes. Looks more like Horace. Oh my goodness, we don't mention Horace. The weirdo might come and try and copyright strike us. So a big nose. Doing, 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 doing. Oh, that looks terrible. How's that? That kind of works. Oh, actually, that kind of works. Right, yeah, I'm gonna go with that. That is a ridiculous looking character, but you know, it might be all right. How creepy does this guy look? Oh my goodness. I like it. Yeah, that's great. Ooh. could just stand here and just look at you. That's what he's doing. Right, so he's in room 22. Kind of want to hide him in the code, but no. And he could stand there. No, he can't. He's going to stand there. Captain Eggman is there. Where did I put the other one? Previous one. What position was that in? I haven't overlapped them. That's okay. Okay. So we have 30 items to pick up. Well, actually 31. So that's pretty good. G equals 31. So that's 30 items plus Santa. Save. File. Save. Okay. 30 items plus Santa, not bad. Map. What's above number 5? Well, we couldn't get to there. We won't need that one. Unless, what's in room 5? Screens. Let's go back. Yeah, there's no way we could get to that top right from here because you can't jump that far. But what is in room 5? Is it possible to glitch into that? It is possible technically to glitch into it by jumping up from the up and down machine. Okay. So. Right. So we need to put a screen there. Doesn't have to be a big thing. Just put some clouds. And that's all we need. Clouds are all we need. So, yeah. And editor. Let's put some sprites in it so it doesn't screw up. Don't. Where's the back of his head gone? Oh, that looks weird. That's why we didn't know it. Okay, editor. Sprite positions is what I wanted. So, whenever the player respawns, it starts there. Just a guy and another guy. There are no objects in there. There we are. Editor, map. So if you do glitch in, that's all that's there. So, editor of screens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wall. We need a wall behind the rabbit. So it doesn't go any further. Map. Let's have a look at the map. What's behind room number 9? Screens. 8, 9. Right, this is the one that we need to sort out as well. So look all that off. If you end up in here, it's a problem. So we need to work something out. So we're going to do sprite positions on this one. Editor, sprite positions. This guy, delete. And instead, put this guy in. Because now he will fly up and down. There we go. Right. We'll have another one of these. This is one of those rooms that's going to be quite actively slowing this game down when we play it. Otherwise, you just can't get around because of the number of things that are in it. Okay. And just as one last thing, a guy flying this way. Editor of objects. No, not objects. Map. The last screen we need to check is 11. Screens. 9, 10, 11. And we put a wall at the edge. So you can't actually go any further. And the game is done. There we are. The game is finished. So, we've got our map. It's small. It's a fairly small game. It's a fairly small map. But this is a small Christmas game that we're doing. So we could make something bigger, but we haven't. 23 screens. Actually, 24 screens, 0 to 23. We have to pick up 30 items plus the Santa. So, multi-platform arcade game developer. No, Roll and Rescue, that's what we want. Roll and Rescue Redux 15. Spectrum. Roland Redux, we're now calling Roland Redux 15 Spectrum version. Love Manic Miner. Manic Miner was great. File, save project again into multi-platform arcade game developer, Roland.apj. Save. Yes. Events. The player does count up to 31 objects, yes. File. Export game. Roland Redux. There we are. Yes. Print tab file, yes. Create basic loader, yes. Only one error, and that's the label not found. Exactly what we need. Right, let's do this. Load up JSSpecky again. File. Open. Right, we now have to try and play it. RolandRedux.tab. Oh, we set the machine first. Load tape. Okay, here we go. Right. Jump, jump, and jump. We now have to try the game out. And if this works, that's fantastic. And we can release the Spectrum version, and then next time we can start porting it to others. But of course, well, can we? We haven't got a soundtrack yet. That is something we're going to have to put in, but we haven't got one yet. Grab that. Jump over to the other side. Jump there and jump. Grab. No! Oh! Oh! We need to try and land on that and wait for the guy to go past and jump. Yes! Jump. Into the blimp area. Oh, we can't get up there. We have to wait for this guy. Jump up and across. Yes. Nothing in here. Oh, we could have put an extra item in here. That would be interesting. Yeah, maybe we should. Maybe we should put another item in there. Sort out that shaky guy down there as well. So we still have some things we need to do. Right, let's get these guys. Da 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 bam 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 do 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 ba 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 bam da 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 ba 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 bam da 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 dee ba 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 bam bam ba ba bam bam. There's a lot of songs with "bum" in the name when you think about it. Bum ba ba bum bum. What am I talking of? There aren't songs with "bum" in the title, apart from I like big butts. I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When a girl walks in with an itty-bitty waist and a round thing in her face, you get sprung. I did love the vlog I did where that was... Oh, I died accidentally. Oh, look! We died and the thing didn't change. The position of the energy marker, that didn't change. That's good. That's nice. Maybe we've sorted that out, I hope. Bumtastic it is. It's absolutely buttock-tastic. Yes, we've finally sorted out the problem. Okay. We've sorted the problem of the energy levels printing in the wrong place. However, I have just noticed that apparently when you die, the energy level doesn't reset. So we've only got 10% energy on our new life. That's not good. Because I'm about to die. Oh no, Roland's been trampled. Okay, so it's working. The game is working, which is nice. But we need to sort out the thing about that. So, events, player. No, kill player. There. Subtract 1 from lives. E equals 99. There. Save. Now, when you die, you get your energy back. Save project. Save project. Let's get this thing saved. Then we can release the game and make it work and everyone can enjoy a game. File. Save project again into multi-platform arcade game developer. Roland.apj. We have no sound yet. There is a way of putting sound in, but I'm not sure about it. So we'll have to look that up next time. But for the moment, I think we've got a working game. So let's do this. RolandRedux.agd. Save. Yes. Tap file. Basic loader. Yes. Only one error, and that's about label not found. That's fine. Go back to here. Reset. So the emulator's there. File open. And it is where? RolandRedux.tap. Open. Tape loader. There we go. Right, we're going to try again. One more time. One more time. Gifts 1. Let's go and sort this out. There's probably an efficient way to get through this. I don't know what the efficient way would be. It's 2. Let's get ready to retro. Let's get ready to retro. Get ready. Get steady and retro. Everybody retro. Actually, let's see if we can jump this way and get through. Yes! We can find all our doublers. What the hell's a doubler? I don't know. Let's get ready now. Let's get ready now. Let's get ready to retro. Jump across. Ah, getting squashed by the Gribblies. Gribblies. Oh, no. I created you. I can uncreate you. Stop getting in my way, Gribblies. Also, we probably should change some of these guys to different sprites. We've just got 2 different types of enemy, but we have 4 different mechanisms for them. Yeah, we could do that. We could change the Gribblies a bit. Like 2 different Gribblies. Who knows? Who cares? Grab and grab. And wait for this guy to go past. Down and drop down again. Yep, there we go. Now we've got all of them. We can fall through the game. Oh. We haven't gotten... Oh, I've just realised for the majority of the extra places we've built over the last couple of weeks, we haven't been putting in tea and cake. So we can't actually regenerate on several of these screens. That's making the game harder than I expected, actually. Jump. Yes. Like, there's no tea and cake on the city areas. But then there's loads on the blimp. One of these days, you'll finish the ST version of Rogo 1. Cool. Right, we need to power up with cake. Oh, we can't! We can't get to it. Oh, give me the cake. Give it. There we go. Got the cake. Got a bit of cake. There we go. Right. Now we're getting somewhere. Don't know where it is that we're getting, but we're getting there. Yeah, a bit more cake. Can't fall down there. Yes, we can. There we go. Get past there. Jump and jump. Yes, and jump over. Yeah. Drop down. Drop down here. Grab the choo-choo. Grunkymon, gotta shunt them all. I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real quest. To train them is my cause. Right, we've got 11 left. I will travel across the land. With courage I will face each Pokemon to understand. Claim my rightful place. Get past. 10 left. 10 left. Come on, we can do this. Almost got hurt by that. Oh, we did get hurt by that guy. 9 left. So in addition to the plans, Blake's 7 shoot 'em up with shoot 'em up construction. Oh, that's nice. I haven't used shoot 'em up construction kit for years. I enjoyed it when I played around with it on the Amiga at one of my friends' houses. 8, 7 left. Right. Here we go. Ah! Walked straight into that one, didn't I? Wait for that guy to go past. Jump. 6 left. Ah! Oh. Can we get out of here? Yeah. Yes, we can. But not into somewhere that we need to be. Okay, so that's what. Right. So we've got a bit of a problem here. Right, let's just grab the tea and the cakes and get our power back. 6 left. 6 left. Ah. And we're stuck. No. Oh, we almost died. Oh, that was not good. I think everything's up here now. Grab the tea. 6 left. We can do this. 5 left. Come on, come on, come on. We can do this. We can do this. Jump. 4 left. 3 left. 2 left. 2 left. There's 2 left. Because we have to get to 31, don't we? We found Santa. There's 2 left. Where are they? Oh! I think they're just over here, aren't they? That's some of the original ones. Yeah, there's one. There it is. Well done! Roland has rescued all the gifts from the evil Griblies and saved Christmas. He can now have a well-deserved snooze. The game works. The game works. Apart from that one guy on that screen, the second blimp screen. Screens. Objects, no. Editor. Screens. The other blimp screen, it's like 6 or something. This is it. This is the one. Editor. Sprite positions. Sprite positions. This guy. It doesn't work properly. So, sprite type 1. We're going to move him to here. And he should work from there. There we go. Game's done. File. Save project. We will try and put some sound, like background music in at some point. But for the moment, there we are. Save. Yes. File. Save project. Multi-platform arcade game developer. Roland.apj. Save. Yes. File. Export game again. To Roland Redux. .agd. No, we're going to call it Roland Redux Spectrum. Create tap file. Yes. Create basic loader. Yes. Only one error. Yes. Okay. Tools. Here's the fun one. Copy Spectrum graphics to Amstrad. Boing. This will erase existing graphics. Are you sure? Yes, we've just saved. Doing. Now everything looks like total crap. But we're in the Amstrad now. Machine. Amstrad CPC. Do do do. Everything looks like crap. Everything is horrible looking. Blocks. Let's change these blocks. So our first thing is we now have a problem because that is supposed to be... Oh my goodness. This is all we get for the Amstrad. Seriously, this is all we get on Amstrad. That's the size that we have. It's ridiculous. So we've got to now work this out. So we need a dark red. And that's all we can do for a brick. Delete it inside. But it's not all we can do with a brick, is it? Because we can now put some highlights on them if we want. How cool is that? Does the coder of this expect us to make our games obvious specky bots? No, we can now recolor everything and retexture it and make all of the cool stuff look really cool. So we need to work out how to do bricks that will look decent on Amstrad. We get multiple colors and multiple options. So let's go for red. If we do this right, we can make this look fantastic. So let's have that there. That. Oh, that almost works. That almost works. So let's go to there and that. Take this out. Oh, no, I need to turn the background to black again. That's, yeah, background is that. So let's go there, there, and there. Take that out. And then we get another row where we can do the other part of this. There we go. Now we've got tiled for this. It's all tiled and it looks good. Okay. Let's have dark on the edge of that so we can texture our blocks. There we are. Can't do a lighter one though. There isn't an even brighter red than what we've already used. So there's our block. That's our wall block. And if we go to edit screens, screen 1, where is our 2, 1, and there we are. Now we've got a textured set of walls all ready to go, which is nice. Actually, they look pretty damn good, actually. I like that. So let's go and do our blocks. And we're going to do, at this point, save project, Roland Rescue Redux, Roland Redux 15, hyphen, CPC. There we go. Let's work on, right, this was a T. This was T, remember? That looks like crap. Oh my goodness. So let's have a yellow cup for our tea. And we have white steam coming out of it, which is nice. But can we have grey so it looks a little darker? Or is that not possible? No, that's not possible. Okay. Well, in that case, let's find the lighter yellow. No, that's that one. Lighter yellow. And texture the top. A little bit of shading. There we go. The cake still kind of looks like cake, so that's not, actually it looks like cheese. Let's see what we can do with this. Oh, what can we do? Oh, what can we do? Let's turn it brown. Nice bit of brown, reddish brown for the side, and then put a bit of icing on top. Nice little bit of icing on top. Now we've got carrot cake. Can we have oh yeah, a little bit of red on the side. Where's my red? No, it's brown, not brown. Nice bright red. There we go. How cool is that? So now we've got we'll have a little bit of texture in it. Good. There we go. Next thing. Well, that looks terrible. So we need platform blocks now. So let's go back to this and turn that into that. Our biggest issue is the CPC's got due to the way it's set up, the Amstrad has fewer options for blocks and block sizes. You can see that it's basically half the size of the Spectrum version, which is not exactly great, is it? But here we go. So let's try and texture that a little bit. There we are. And we got, where's that orange? That might work well as the other side. Oh, I went past it. Go through again. There we are. That's the other side. Can we? That kind of works. And kind of not at the same time. I think we should go back. It didn't really work. Well, so we've got a highlight on one side. That's nice. This one is almost all right already, but I'd like to put a highlight on that as well. That actually cool. Yeah, these are starting to look interesting. All right, let's move this around again and see if I can find the blue, because I've made a bit of an error there. So they're highlighted. The ladder looks decent enough, but I want to... Where's... It would be nice if we had a brown, but we don't. So we're going to use different blues this time. No, we're not. We've already used blues. Do we have any... We have greens, yes. A red ladder. No, I'm not sure about a red ladder. Pink ladder. Go for a green ladder. The majority of it looks pretty damn good already for what we've done. We have hardly changed anything, really. We don't have a dark green. Oh my goodness, we do not have a dark green. That's an oversight. Huh. Alright, well, then the green ladders are going to stand out, aren't they? Let's put in a bit of... yeah. We'll highlight them with that. There. So it kind of looks right. Yeah, there's a bit of a shine to the top of those steps. Like, this never worked as a thing. I don't even know what we were thinking of with this. What even is it? Yellow on the other side. There we are. Right, there's that first row done. That still looks fine as a danger block anyway. This, which one was this? A different style of platform block. I don't remember it. Okay. Where's the brownish red? That looks all right. Right, let's have a look at how the blocks are now on the screen. Screen 1. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's obnoxious and highly colourful, but I kind of like it. It's all right. It's not too bad. However, if you ever try and play it, you'll find one big problem. Sprites. here is our sprite. That didn't come across well, did it? Oh, why am I laughing? It's horrible. Right, so let's do this. He needs to be bigger. Right, let's find some deeper brown hair. Where's his hair? That's good for hair. Do 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 do. Ba 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 ba. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Now he's definitely Roland, because he's now the Roland from Roland in Time. Oh, that was such a bad idea they had for that, wasn't it? Right, let's go for the next frame. Frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 1. There we are. So we need to sort this guy out. So he's going to have a green top, well, I suppose. For the moment, he's got a green top. That's okay. That kind of works. Where's his trousers? I need his trousers. Where's his trousers? Where's the blue? I mean, where's his trousers? I haven't drawn his trousers yet. That's why we can't find him. Do 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 do. There we go. And he will need blue arms. Okay. And what colour feet? Red, big red boots. Because he's a trainee Santa, so he needs big red boots. That is the worst drawing ever. How bad is it? It's so bad. Oh my goodness. Right. Well, okay. Well, at least we can do some more interesting stuff now. So let's have... He's going to have an orange top just to make it different. And we need blue for his... There we are. Yellow arms. Where's his pink for his skin? The Amstrad has such a garish colour scheme sometimes, doesn't it? Oh, it's bad. And yeah, let's do this. So he's got a thicker arm on the Amstrad just so we can see it. No, he hasn't. That it looks atrocious. Okay. Let's do this. There's his arm. And where's the blue for his trousers? All depends on how it's used. That is true, yes. That is very, very true. It does all depend on how it's used. I am not using it well. Let's put it that way. So let's try and get a bit more hair. It needs more hair. Just there. And he needs an eye. It's white. Come on. Give me a white. Where's a white? Just realised I don't seem to find any whites in it. There we are. There. Oh my goodness, that's bright, but okay. Kind of works. So we need... I suppose I could use the very light sandy as a skin tone. Oh my goodness, no, we could not. That is atrocious. He looks like he's dead. Okay, so we're using pink. A garish pink. Oh. Yeah. So he's pink now. He's obnoxiously pink. But there we are. So we've got a horrible colour scheme, but there we are. Right, copy that. Next frame. Next frame. Paste that. So. Paste that. No, don't copy that. Copy that. Right. Paste. So, we need to have him walking, which means I need to grab the leg texture, leg color even, and we're going to have him walk backwards. Not backwards, one leg backwards. And delete all of that. And one leg forward. Where's the... Yeah, that is the leg that's behind. Red shoes, put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. I can't sing at all. It's terrible. No, actually, that was better when it was like that. Gave us a bit more texture. Where's his red colour? Where's his red for his shoe? Doof, 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 doof. Okay. Copy that. Next frame. Paste that. And change the colour scheme on the trousers. So that the one that's highlighted is that one. And the one that is darkened to be behind is that one. There we go. Okay. That's working out. So let's have a look at the frames as they go. Yeah, that's working. But his arms need to move. So now we do that. Where's our yellow? Go backward one. Do. Where's the pink? Yeah. So his hand's there now. And now we need the colours for the trousers and the top. So we need the blue and the orange. There we are. Okay. So, yes, his left arm goes backward when he's walking forward. Left arm goes forward when he's walking, when his other arm's backward. Yeah, that's good. That's the yellow. There it is. This is pink for his hand. Where's his pink? There it is. Okay. And now we need to sort out the top with the orange. There we are. So. Yes. Okay. So now he walks properly. That's wonderful. Oh, yeah, I'm liking that. Okay. Sprite, copy that. That particular one. Go to here. Paste it. Flip it horizontally. Next frame. Next frame. Paste it. Flip it horizontally. Go back to this one. Frame. Copy that. Frame. Move on one. Paste it. Flip it horizontally. Go back to this one. Frame, frame, frame. Copy that. Go back to this one. Frame, 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 frame. Paste it and flip it horizontally. Now he walks the other way. Oh, that is wonderful. There we go. Right. Oh my goodness, it's 20 past 10. So let's save this project here as Roll and Rescue Redux 15 CPC. Save. Yes. File. Save project again into Multi-Platform Arcade Game Developer. Roland. Save. Yes. my screensaver's coming on my Mac again. Right. File. Export game. Roland Redux hyphen CPC. Save. Create assembler listing now. Yes. Oh, it couldn't do it. That's interesting. So it can't produce the Amstrad version. There's an error. So we'll have to deal with that later. Let's build it. Again, it can't do it. Okay, so we've got some issues to compile with the Amstrad version, but the Spectrum one is working, and we have saved. So there we go. Well, yeah, you know what? Look, to be honest with you, I think, given that we've just finished the Amstrad game, some of that's a little bright, a little garish. I may change some of it. In fact, let's do it now. Editor, go back to blocks. Excuse me. This one is a little bit bright, so I'm going to change these to orange. See how that goes. That's not bad, actually. Let's have a darker blue if there is one. Orange, dark blue. Oh, that looks interesting, because it's gone a kind of purplish. Because of the way all this works. And highlight it with yellow instead of sandy. Leave it like that. Actually, perhaps we don't need to highlight this one at all, and just go with that as our thing, and then go to screens. That's looking a bit better. Okay, I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. We're going to have to sort out the sprites as well, by the way, because if we go to font, that's another thing. That is completely messed up. The Amstrad one does not work. I import the font. It only has half of it. It only goes to one side. So we need to sort out that font. But okay, we're doing okay. Right, save project. We're going to save at that point. Roland Rescue Redux, CPC, save, and yes. File, save, multi-platform arcade game developer, save as that, yes. And we will work on the rest of it today. Not tomorrow, next week. But for the moment, if I can bring up my screen again, then what we've got here is actually a working game. So what I'm going to do now is go to my Google Drive, and I'm going to upload the working Spectrum version. Right, where's my games list? Where are my games that I've made? GameHammer Live Game Coding in my Google Drive. Right. Bring up this multi-platform arcade game developer. Where is Roland Redux Spectrum? .tap. Grab that and copy it to the drive. It is loading. There it is. Roland Redux Spectrum. Right, let's make that available. Share this. Anyone with link can get it. Copy. Done. Okay, I'm going to put that into the thing now. Get your copy of the Spectrum version here. Control V. Control V. There we go. Doomph. There we go. There you are. You can now download a copy for the Spectrum just there. But that's really all we've got time for tonight. We have gone over time, but I think it's been worth it because we finally finished the Spectrum version, except for the music, which we will, of course, add in at a later date. But I think we've done some good work there. We'll make the Amstrad version and then see how we go from there. We'll load back in the Spectrum version, which is why I saved it separately, and we'll port it over to the MSX. which should be easier because it's easier to port from Spectrum to MSX than it is from Spectrum to Amstrad, apparently, with the lower amount of options. And then we'll see how we go from there. But guys, thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. And I hope you enjoy the game. I'm going to now go and play it on my actual Spectrum, which I've got set up in another room at the moment. But that'll be fun. I'm going to load a copy onto my Specky, and we'll see how we go. Take care. Have a great evening. I'll see you tomorrow for Zork. That'll be fun. Take care and have a great night. Bye.